Okay, some people already request me to have some information of one question is very important to answer, and it's actually a very good question. Some people say, okay, if I don't have any job, how can I open a bank account in Portugal? Because I will not be able to provide any kind of document that I just talked in one of my previous videos. So I say it's also possible, but the Portuguese bank account and the Portuguese authorities always wants to know where is the money coming from. And as you know, all worldwide has always create some laws to protect the money laundering, to protect some black money. So some people also say, but I don't have a job, I'm not working, I received some money before, I don't need to work, I have some interest or whatever, and I have some money in my bank account. In this case, what I advise to that clients that they don't have any kind of job and they cannot provide any kind of document, they should go to their bank and request a bank statement, because the bank statement, or if it's possible to request a bank letter attesting that the client has some balance enough to start a golden visa program in Portugal, it will be better. So what you can do, request a bank statement, and we submit here to the Portuguese bank account, and we inform that the client is not having any kind of job, but they have enough conditions, enough money to support and go through the golden visa program or any other kind of investment in Portugal. So I think I can, it's possible, and I can tell the client that it's possible to open a bank account, and we have a few clients already try, we submit and has been approved for open a bank account. That's the most important thing to start the golden visa program. Without the bank account, you cannot transfer money from outside. So that's my advice for you. Thank you.